Hello friends, in this video let me show you on how to blend oil pastels using fingers, tissues and stumps. Tissue paper and here is a stump. Let me use red oil pastels to show in common on how to blend. Now let me use my fingers to show you on how to blend. Use the even pressure all over the area to blend this. The main disadvantages of using these fingers is it will get messy. And this is the result we will get when using the fingers. And next let me use tissue paper. Fold it into make small square and use the corner to blend it. This is how you will be blending oil pastels using tissues. And next let me use paper stumps to blend this. Now the down part let me take three colors red, orange and yellow to show you on how to blend different colors of oil pastels. Here for the first part let me use my fingers. Now let me use tissue paper blend these colors. You can even use a soft cloth to blend these colors. Instead of tissue, you can use the soft cloth as well. And next, let me use paper stumps. Let me remove the sealing tapes and show you on how actually it will be seen. I hope you enjoyed this video, friends. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comment your opinion on this.